Everyone, let us learn today question number 4 of exercise 11.2. Here in this question we have to draw a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 5 centimeter and which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Means these two tangents are inclined with each other at an angle of 60 degree. At an angle of 60 degree. So here let's see the rough diagram. This is a circle with center O and radius is given 5 cm. Okay, this point will be A, suppose. Now there is one more thing is given, what? The inclination between the two tangents. So suppose these are the tangent. So inclination is given 60 degree. This is the point P, suppose. That point P is not given, but the angle between these two tangents is given. How much? 60 degree. This inclination is 60 degree. Now you know that this point also will join. This point will be B. We know that every tangent is perpendicular on the radius at the point of contact. So this is 90 degree. This will be also 90 degree. You know this AOBP is a quadrilateral. So angle sum property of a quadrilateral is sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral will be 360 degree. This is 90, this is 90, 120. 120 plus 60, it will be, I think, 240. So 360 minus 240, it will be 120 degree. So, but this point is not given. So what we'll do, how we will find this point? Let's learn this through this construction. We will take first center O. We'll take center O and take a 5 centimeter radius in the compass, and we will draw first one circle of radius 5 centimeter. Okay, this is a circle. This is circle with a center O and radius 5 centimeter. Now we have to, at the center O, we have to make a 120 degree angle. So for that we require one line segment. So what we'll do, we will draw one radius here. This is, we will make OA is a radius. This point will be A. So this is 5 centimeter. It is given radius of a circle is 5 centimeter. Now at this point, at O, we will make an arc, and by the same arc it will cut, that angle will be 60 degree. So here we will make an arc. We will draw an arc of any radius. Okay, this is, again you can extend it. Semicircle we can make, and from this point, this is intersection point of radius as well as this arc. So from this point we will draw a arc. So this will be angle 60 degree. If we will make one more arc by the same radius, so it will be 120 degree. So which means 120 degree angle we made at the center O. That point we got second point of intersection. So this we will draw the line from O, which will pass through this intersection point. We can extend it. Okay, this point will be B. This point will be B. Now we know that each tangent is perpendicular on the radius, which means here we can make 90 degree, here we can make 90 degree, and both the tangent, wherever it will intersect, that point will be P. Okay, so let's see how to draw 90 degree. So here any radius we can take and we will draw the semicircle. So at B, we will begin from B. We will draw a semicircle of any radius. Okay, now here we know that by the same radius it will cut the arc to this semicircle, so it will be 60. Again it will cut this from this point, so it will be 120 degree, and it will bisect this. Okay, this is 60 degree, it will bisect the 60 degree, so 30 degree will get 60 plus 30 degree, it will be 90 degree. So we will bisect this point from here and from this arc also. We are bisecting the angle, we are bisecting this angle. This is 60 degree. So we got 30 degree, and 60 plus 30, it will be 90 degree. This will join this. We will draw the line from B, which will pass through the point of intersection. Okay, this will be B is the point of contact. Now here also same thing. We will make a semicircle here. We will take A as a radius. Any radius we can take. A as a center, and we'll draw a semicircle. We'll draw a semicircle. Okay. Now, after that, from this point of contact, we will make an arc. So it will be 60 degree. Then from this point of contact, again we will make an arc. It will be 60 degree. So 60 plus 60, 120. But we want 90. So what we will do? We will bisect this angle. So from this point of, we will mark the arc, and from this also. So wherever both the arcs will intersect, that point we can join with the A, and we'll draw a line segment through A, from A, which will pass through this point. So both the lines segments are, wherever they both will intersect, this point will be P. This point will be P. Let us learn how to draw the steps of construction. Let us write the steps of construction. Draw a circle of radius 5 cm with the center. This is the circle we have drawn with the radius 5 cm with the center O. Second, we have draw second point. We draw the angle AOB 120 degree. Okay, which will third point. At the point A and B, we draw the 90 degree angle, which will intersect at the point P. Okay. Then the fourth point will be PA and PB will be the required tangent to a circle. Okay, which are inclined at an angle of 60 degree. This is the fourth point. Now justification how to write? So here we know that this angle OAP is a 90 degree, and this OA is the side. OA is the radius. So this AP will be tangent. AP will be tangent because tangents are perpendicular on the radius. So this is 90 degree. This is radius. So obviously AP have to be a tangent. So we wrote like that. Similarly here also same. At B also we can write angle OBP is a 90 degree angle, and OB is a radius. Therefore PB have to be a tangent to the circle. This will be justification.